happened?
Mazzelini, fam.
قصر الأرض.
Yeah.
Fuck's sake.
Serious.
Turn the light on.
Let me see that.
Come on, son.
Serious. What we gonna do now?
I'm fucking vlogging, bro. First we're getting food though, no?
One nice burger, yeah?
Whatever you want, bro. Burger, chips. This guy got everything coming.
Nah, quick meal before making content. Serious and needed. The baby's right there. Come on.
What about me?
Quick meal?
I thought you were gonna say this is my older baby, but nah.
Man, is a quick meal or not?
Yeah, quick one, man. Come on, go through it, fam. Fucking feed. Let me tell you.
We've been here 15 minutes. They said 10 minutes. So the burger's not good. Allah, I'm killing this guy, yeah?
Hey, look, come on now. You can't be downgrading the business like that, bro.
Well, let's see. I'm gonna give you my chance. Let's eat the burger. Still. Hey, yo, bro. I'm hungry, still. You help me?
Wait for the burger. It's coming, bro.
It's coming.
Like, you can't be putting them down before trying their products, bro. Now, let's try the burger first. And then we complain about the delayed time.
But is it good?
It should be good, bro.
Say sneezy, though.
Don't speak that. A burger for Mr. M5 dealer. Let's see what they say, man.
Looks alright.
Go on, M5 fam. Open up the burger, let's see what Oh, this is mine, bro. What are you doing?
Sorry, bro.
Try yours, bro.
Wanna go take it as well?
But don't look at mine like that again, though. Worse. Nah, it's looking good, though.
Yeah?
Juicy, yeah. What does it say?
Nice.
Then is it? So we're shouting them out then, yeah?
Try yours.
Nice. But you know, stuff like this, you have to flavor it a little bit, man. Extra flavor. I can't lie.
Yeah, don't lie.
I never doubted them, bro. I always knew it was gonna be nice. Now, first of all, though, pretty the crepes, though. Come on, lads.
Oh, you're right, bro. What are you saying? You're right.
Nah, man, just showing them the crepes. And
Boss,
what was that little milkshake? I can't lie. I beg you repeat that for the guys, bro. So guys gotta go off. Ah, they fucking lost their words, bro. No, speak to the guys properly, bro.
No, listen, milkshake for free.
Because I bought it from No. I said I bought it, bro. And guys are struggling to open the door, though. Feast burgers, bro.
Guys, listen, big shout out to Fizz Burgers. They give us the energy enough to go make content. And then you can put it on inside.
Guys are struggling, bro. Open what?
Open that.
Swear.
Yeah, it's tuto option.
I told you guys are serious, bro. Fucking hell. Which one did you sip from, though? This one, innit?
Yeah.
Cool. Don't kill boss man, bro. What you doing?
Nah, don't worry, bro.
Nah, boy, you scared him. Let me say sorry to him.
The shotguns at the back. Oh, sorry,
I have to say sorry to boss man, bro. You can't be doing that to him. The uncle, sorry man, sorry. Got a bit too close to you, innit? A fast ped though. What's that? A visitor. I like the ped, man.
Sorry.
Stop apologizing, bro. I apologize already, bro.
How bad? Do you follow me on Insta? You don't follow me on Insta. Listen, if you don't follow me on Insta, I don't know what you're doing that you haven't followed me yet. M5 DLR, back to the building again. I'm going to drip it right here for you lot to go follow. daily videos, daily reels, daily everything, guys, because I know you love it and I love it as well, so you make sure go follow.
No, the bottom bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Show them.
Real quick.
Yes.
360 mount. Once you got this set up, guys, make sure you set this properly, because while you're in the motorway doing speed limit, it's gonna be very hard to keep it up. So be careful. As I said, doing the speed limit, make sure you tighten this properly. All the air has to be out, and then you compress.
I don't believe what he says though. Like, guy doesn't even know how to use it himself.
Oh, it's active, man. It's all about activists, I always told them.
Come on, bro. Man started that word spreaded, bro. Putos activistas.
Now look.
Setup's nearly done.
Oh, this is expensive. Guys, I told you, know Moroccans, when actually it doesn't work, what we do, man?
We fix it, bro.
Well, we have to make it work, man.
We have to try something new. On the bullpen.
Serious Mazzolini. Hey, Adam, couple of words for the man, them?
Hey, look, let's not lie to them. Tell them how long we've been trying to fix this for, bro.
Not that long though, like a couple of hours still.
What's the problem? What's happening right now?
Bro, the problem is the GoPro is too heavy. The mount is not able to...
Hold it. Let me show them.
The capacity of ration of this. No. It was actually working though. You saw that. Don't do that
That was
again.
actually holding.
Don't do that again.
It's holding it.
Actually putting pressure.
It's holding it.
No, I can't lie.
You know what? That's it. Let's leave it
We
like
did
that.
it. Come.
Brother, bro. Good job. Press it in, bro.
Relax, man.
Is that fixed, yeah?
Yeah. Mazzolini, fam.
قصر الأرض.
Yeah.
Fuck's sake.
Lovely, yeah?
Show the damage. Oh, no way.
Is what it is, mate.
Let me see. Let's see the back. Is it still on?
Hey, yo, listen, guys, you're like, you don't know what happened today, how many problems. I'm gonna shoot it right now. After I'm gonna record the GoPro, it's fucked as well.
You know, for us to get this footage, effort. You see though.
We tried crazy stuff, it didn't work. But we got some stuff. But guys, listen, alhamdulillah, video's done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoy guys the video, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you don't follow me on Insta, make sure you follow M5DLR. Always back to the building, and guys, with more content. I'll see you in the next one, yeah?
Catch you guys.